How to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? In this video, I'll show you realistic strategies that can help you get your first 1,000 subscribers faster, even if your channel is small. Most creators think they need expensive cameras or millions of views to grow. That's not true. What you really need is the right strategy, consistency, and content people actually want to watch. First thing, pick a clear niche. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is posting random videos. If today you post football, tomorrow comedy, next week cooking, YouTube gets confused about your audience. Choose one niche. When people know what your channel is about, they're more likely to subscribe. Don't just post what you like. Post what people are actively searching for. Good examples: how to edit videos using CapCut, how to speed up a slow computer. Search-based content helps small channels get discovered. Create better thumbnails. Your thumbnail decides whether people click or ignore your video. Write titles that attract clicks. Your title should create curiosity or promise value. Make viewers feel they'll gain something by clicking. Hook people in the first 10 seconds. If viewers leave early, YouTube stops recommending your video. Don't waste time with long intros. Upload consistently. You don't need to upload every day, but you should be consistent. For example, 2 videos every week or 1 quality video weekly. Consistency builds momentum. Use shorts to grow faster. YouTube Shorts can explode your channel quickly. Turn long videos into quick tips, funny moments, mini tutorials. Shorts help new viewers discover your channel faster. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments. Ask viewers questions. Engagement helps build a loyal community and improves your reach. Study successful creators. Look at creators in your niche and study their thumbnails, titles, and editing style. Don't copy them, learn from them. Stop expecting overnight success. Most successful YouTubers struggled at first. Your first videos may get 10 views, 20 views, even 5 views. That's normal. The key is improving every upload. If this video helped you understand how to grow your YouTube channel and get your first 1,000 subscribers, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.